Unveiling the Secret of the Milk Tooth. Hello, wonderful learners around the world. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting linguistic journey into the world of English idioms and phrases. We're looking at a phrase that might sound strange at first but is very common in English-speaking countries. Yes, you guessed it right. We're talking about the phrase, milk tooth. If you're ready, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, what exactly is a milk tooth? This term refers to the first set of teeth that grows in a young mammal's mouth. In humans, these are the teeth that children begin to get at around 6 months old. But why milk, you might wonder? This name is given because these teeth are in place during the time a child is still drinking milk, especially before they have started eating solid food. In a child's development, milk teeth, also known as baby teeth or deciduous teeth, have a specific life cycle. They emerge, they serve their purpose, and then they make way for permanent teeth. Children start losing these milk teeth around the age of 6, which is a natural process as their permanent teeth start to grow in. This transition is a significant milestone in a child's growth and is often celebrated in various cultures with traditions such as the tooth fairy. Interestingly, the phrase, milk tooth, can sometimes be used metaphorically. When someone says they have a milk tooth for something, they might mean they have a beginner's affinity or a growing interest in that area. However, this metaphorical use is not as common, and it's more likely to be used in a literal sense. Around the world, milk teeth are often a part of childhood memories and cultural references. There are expressions and stories related to these early teeth, varying from the tooth fairy in English-speaking countries to other charming traditions elsewhere. These stories and expressions highlight the universal nature of this experience, even though the terms and details might differ from one culture to another. That's a wrap on the milk tooth explanation. We've uncovered the literal meaning, its life cycle, and how it fits into language and culture. I hope you found this dive into English phrases enlightening and fun. Remember, losing a milk tooth is just part of growing up, much like learning a new language. It's a step towards something bigger and more permanent. Keep smiling and showing off those pearly whites, whether they're your first set or the ones that last a lifetime. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep learning and keep shining.